the internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CBM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
Yeah, we're here at Culture Works, the second staging.
Forward for the next staging of Skyline Levels Culture Works this Friday, 7 p.m.
The rebels them in town.
I'm here right now at Skyline with Culture Works.
More works, positive, hopeful. Skyline Levels, I man, season 2, Culture Works.
Every day we're going in circles.
Yeah, Culture Works.
Culture Works. It's like Culture Works started off a year, a great work for me.
Culture Work, yeah man, it's been a great journey.
Blessed love, we're at the Skyline Levels at Culture Works.
We're here again on a season 2, so I hope that you and your
Oh my God, I love to see hot girls. I love to see hot girls. Just give me the light and pass the job. Bust another one. I gotta tell you, son of Paul.
I'm telling you that era, you know.
Buenos dias, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú usted? ¿Y tú usted? Good morning.
Yeah, I sing Spanish like Enrique.
Was Enrique Iglesias my brother? I gotta tell you, good morning, everybody. Hola. Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Thursday morning. I can't believe I'm saying Thursday, January 8th. 2026 already. You know, back in the day, Dennis,
yes,
January take long. Like you can literally feel the 24 hours.
It was the longest year in the month.
Exactly, you know what I mean? But now it's almost like it's breezing away. Mm-hmm. And I remember...
You know what I said that to somebody last year, you know what them say? You have money.
Yeah.
I was like, huh?
Well, Zed giveaway. Oh well. Oh well.
The people that have money feel like January move fast. I'm like, no.
Not really. It's signs of the times.
Signs of the times.
You know what I mean?
The days for the elect's sake.
For the elect's sake. Well, good morning. You are elected this morning because you are watching Sunrise, and we are so happy for your support.
That's right.
Thank you for your patronage. Thank you for your vision, and thank you for your eyeballs, and thank you for your presence. It's always a pleasure serving you each and every day. You look cloudy.
Yeah, you know, you look cloudy.
I look Nimbus Stratos.
Cumulonimbus.
Cumulonimbus.
Cirrocumulus.
Listen to what I'm telling you. Good morning to all the geography teachers.
Yes.
And all the geography students.
Weather and climate.
Yeah,
remember
I know, right? Listen, I loved weather and climate. I loved it. And you know what I love too?
Yeah.
I loved the rivers. Talking about the erosion of the sand.
Yeah.
Talking about the meander. My SBA was on rivers.
Yeah, we did Wagwater River.
Wagwater. We went somewhere. I think it was St. Thomas.
Yeah.
Was it St. Thomas?
We did Wagwater River.
I think we did St. Thomas. And I went to Gunboat Beach one at a time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, Gunboat Beach. Go look on the soil erosion, and when the water comes up and it comes... And the
swash and backwash.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I mean? And I'm like, yeah, rivers. I loved rivers.
I loved geography.
Yeah, I did.
I did geography at A levels as well.
Oh no, I never take it so far.
No, but you go further.
See, but it's all right. I'm great. I think I got a 2 in geo.
Yeah, I got a 2 as well.
Yeah.
And then I took it to 6th
No,
form.
No.
Yeah.
It was
It is hard in that 6 pound.
Yeah, it got
Very
serious.
hard.
Yeah. But I really love Gio. So for me, it was like, even when you're talking about the climate, you know what I mean? The temperate climate and the corniferous trees. And there was this one where, like a big banyan tree that had water in the root.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
That slipped me now.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you know what I love? I love earthquakes. You know what I mean?
Plate tectonics.
Movement. You know what I mean?
Tectonics.
Plate tectonics.
Yes. I still have to teach plate tectonics in Caribbean studies.
No, nice.
Yeah.
Love it. So good morning.
But
to
yeah,
all the Gio.
we meandered into the topic of geography because we are reliably informed by the Jane Michelle Ramsey.
Yes.
That she's our fashion teacher. That the color for this year is cloud.
Yes, not white.
It's not white.
It's cloud.
It's cloud.
So even though it looks white on your screen, it's actually cloud.
Cloud.
Right? It's a cloud.
Yeah. So
that's the color.
So last year it was mocha mousse.
Yeah.
This year,
it's
according
cloud.
to the
fashionistas and experts.
Yeah, it is cloud.
Okay.
So
if you're feeling a little cloudy,
yeah, so you're not
because you're fashionable.
Yeah, so if you're going to an all-white party this year, tell them that you're wearing cloud, darling.
Yeah. I gotta tell you, absolutely amazing. But good morning to everyone celebrating their birthday today.
January 8th.
Yes, and two persons we know are celebrating their special day. Sean Paul being one of them.
Yeah, Sean Paul Enriquez, just giving the light.
Yeah, good morning.
It's tomorrow?
It's tomorrow?
It's tomorrow? Okay.
Minute, so Renee tell me Sean Paul born today. Renee tell me Sean Paul born today. I don't know. It's like she cut a neighbor string, I gotta tell you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who else?
Region 6. Right.
Yeah, who else? You said 2.
Oh, well, no, the other person must have born Saturday too. So she tell me the wrong something. Yeah. She never got the RGD birth paper. Yeah. You have the big birth paper, the little birth paper, that is.
I have both.
Yeah,
I still
both
have my
too.
old one.
Yeah, me too.
I still have my old one.
The little white one?
Yeah. The little one.
Yeah.
You know,
it has your mother name, your father name, and the things them. Yeah.
Look, written in our one.
Yeah.
The lady, whoever is the lady who wrote it, looked like it right in our old English.
Yeah.
I still have my old one.
And then you get the big one.
Yeah, you have the new fancy one.
Yeah, good morning to everybody by the RGD. Good morning to everybody that is looking about
RGD just changed up, though, you know, like as a kid growing up in Spanish Town, you know, everybody had to come to Spanish Town to get their birth paper.
Yeah, your birthday.
Yeah.
Your birth surfing ticket.
Yeah. But, you know, things have changed. It's decentralized.
Yeah.
You have RGD. It moved outside
different parishes.
village. And you know, everybody doesn't have to come to Spanish Town anymore.
Yeah.
But that's what progress and modernization is about.
True.
You know, you don't have to do the things that we used to do.
True.
You know whose birthday it is tomorrow? She was here earlier this week. SSP Delia Garrick.
Oh, nice.
Her birthday is
The
tomorrow.
Capricorns are out.
Yes.
Yeah, and Vibes Cartel celebrated his 50th birthday as well. So, yeah, the Capricorns are out. Good morning to all the Capricorns.
You know what called Kanai? No. Close-fitting Clarks. My clothes not cheap like chicken
You
parts.
hear that? Okay, which is right. What's on my nose?
Something
I'm
Bubba's
out.
parts.
Oh, wow. That was Black Cartel.
That was Black Cartel.
Yeah, Black Cartel.
Tell me something. Black Cartel or Brown Cartel?
Both. Probably black though.
Yeah. Black Cartel.
But
undefeated.
True. Black. Yeah. In terms of
in terms of the body of work, in terms of just the...
But then he started...
But there were great things done.
To the brown. In the brown. With the cake soap.
Yeah.
Smooth like you wash your face with the cake soap. I can tell you.
Everybody ever come along.
Yeah. So it was a lot.
But Black Cartel, you know.
Undefeated.
Throwback.
Yeah. Old school kicks.
Yeah.
Cap and Durags.
Yes.
And academics.
No, academics.
I love it. Well, good morning to all those celebrating their birthday today. And I'd like to say happy anniversary to those persons who are celebrating their special day. There are many persons celebrating, you know, their first year of marriage, second, third,
I know somebody. I know a couple got married on the 13th of January.
Oh, nice.
Morning, Inspector Omar Bryan.
Nice.
And Mrs. Bryan, Travis Bryan. They got married in St. Thomas last year on the 13th. The 13th was a special number for them. So they got married on the 13th, and they got married in purple because purple is important. Omar did not go to KC, but he was the butt of many jokes from me.
It's fine. He has the greatness within him. So he naturally leans toward the color of royals. It's understood.
I thought
It's
blue was the
tacit.
color of royal.
No, purple. Check it.
I thought blue.
Royal wear.
There's even
King
a color
Charles
called royal blue.
No, that's not a color.
Eh?
What's up with the color for royals or the real people them? Ask Queen
And a
Elizabeth about
blue.
it. No, purple.
Really?
Yellow.
But like when they talk about royalty, they refer to as blue blood.
No, blue. No, we're not talking about your blood. We're talking about what you wear. We don't care about your blood. What you wear. Yeah.
Okay.
See there, the dye that used to make purple is very expensive. So, you know what I'm saying? To get purple was a lot. Blue is
yeah?
just regular. You know what I'm saying? Right.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa, okay.
Remember, our two color for come back to get purple, so it was a lot. Ask Queen about it. You understand? Well, Queenie, rest in peace, but you know what I'm saying? Right. If she was alive, she would say that. Right. Just saying. Hi, good morning.
I love doing this.
Boy, Royal, but it's just, you're cloudy. You're getting cloudy. Good morning, everybody. The foreigner them gone home yet? The foreigner them gone home?
A lot of them
Yo,
gone
a
home.
lot of them were here, you know?
Yes.
And they partied, they enjoyed themselves, and let me tell you, they were out and bad. Good morning to all the foreigners who came, enjoyed the ackee and saltfish, the breadfruit. Dennis, what a way. I go somewhere the other day. Guess how much I pay for breadfruit?
How much is it?
$1,000 for breadfruit.
For one?
For one breadfruit.
Roasted?
Roast breadfruit. And when I asked the lady, when the lady was asked to peel it, she says $200 to peel it. I said, let me have it,
That
please.
sound like this. That sound like the $6,000 pepper. Then.
Yeah. $1,000 breadfruit and $200 for peel it. Can you believe that?
Wow.
Let me tell you.
We're getting
it's a lot.
festive.
It's a lot, but one day we're gonna come back around
Wow.
to where we are. We have an abundance
and
of ground provision.
The price going drop, man.
And those
St.
persons,
Elizabeth is coming back.
I'm telling you, and
St.
those
is
persons
coming back. Trelawney is coming back.
who took advantage of a situation. Well. Yeah. So great.
Well.
So schoolboy
Sunrisers.
football?
Yeah.
Where?
The Costa Cup.
Yeah.
Stets versus Excelsior.
Nice.
The battle for the Olivier Shield. It all goes down today at 3 p.m. You can watch it live on CVM TV, CVMTV.com, and CVM Television Jamaica on YouTube.
That's right. Good job.
Only one Shield. Champion versus champion. You've got to see it. You've got to be there. All right. Guess what? We have a great show lined up for you. Really great segments lined up for you. They've put it together quite nicely. It's going to come together quite nicely. But before we jump into all of that, here's your pocket of sunrise.
And to all of you watching here, come close to the screen and listen. People don't have to like you. People don't have to love you. They don't even have to respect you. But when you look in the mirror, you better love what you see. You better love what you see.
The time by Sagicor is
6:15 a.m.
The road to recovery after a disaster is never an easy one. The National Housing Trust stands ready to support you with hurricane relief initiatives to help you recover stronger. With our peril insurance, payment relief moratorium, hurricane grants, and low interest rate hurricane relief loans, we'll help you restore your home and rebuild your community. Visit our website or your nearest NHD branch for further details. Conditions apply. NHD, the key to your home.
It's the Chris and Charles Merry Money Mania loan promotion. This Christmas, borrow big and win bigger. Get $1.5 million or $2 million in loans at special reduced rates, plus a chance to win your share of $1 million. And new customers get double entries. The promotion runs from October 15 and is now extended to January 30, 2026. Visit any Chris and Charles branch or chrisandcharles.com for details. Chris and Charles, making life merry again. Conditions apply. Authorized under Section 58.3 of the Betting, Gaming, and Lotteries Act.
internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
Let's delve deep into the issues. We'll take you beneath the surface.
Greetings and salutations. My name is Orvin Higgins, and it's another edition of Fan Central.
Talking to the people at the heart of the top sporting stories. Hear from your favorite sportsmen and women and the administrators who work tirelessly to make it all happen. It's live sports talk.
I've written an entire article.
Yeah.
Looking at all the major issues every Tuesday at 9 p.m. It's Fan Central.
Yeah, we're here at Culture Works, the second staging.
Forward for the next staging of Skyline Levels Culture Works this Friday, 7 p.m.
The rebels them in town.
I'm here right now at Skyline with Culture Works.
More works, positive, hopeful. Skyline levels. I hit man, season 2, culture work.
Every day we're going in circles.
Yeah, Culture Works.
Culture Works.
It's like Culture Works started off a year, a great work for me.
Culture work, yeah. Yeah, man, it's been a great journey.
Blessed love, we're at the Skyline Levels at Culture Works.
We're here again and a season 2, so I hope that you and your friend them come, right?
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more.
And a half minutes after 6 o'clock. Good morning. It is 20 degrees Celsius. It's quite chilly here in the Kingston City. Good morning to you. It's now time with your headlines with the girl herself, Rose of Sharon. But she's not Sharon, and she's not Rose. She's the Rose of Sharon.
I don't understand when my name changed. Why? No, with the hair. With every hair. So for all intents and purposes, you're not really even named TK right now.
Okay.
You're named Shelly. You understand? Your name like Shelly. You understand?
Shelly.
It's a different
Shelly or
vibe.
Shellyan.
You know what I mean?
No.
That girl, Shelly. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
With every wig, you have a different persona.
Okay.
That's
I'm learning.
affiliated
Yeah,
with the
and
wig.
so you have a moniker that is
You see
associated.
what I'm saying? Yeah. So you
I'm
have to
learning.
have something. You understand? My son gay, so are your name Dion? Something. You have to have a something. So when your husband come home this evening, a Dion him come see. You understand?
Why are you looking at me like you're really thinking of the name Dennis? Dennis looking at me like...
The whole lot, there's a whole Rolodex of names. You can see
Let me think.
it? You can see it?
I can see the process. Yes.
Yeah.
But every wig has a name, and you have to name her. And then when you put her on, you then now assume that persona. So when the husband come, it's a different thing. Remember,
Audrey.
Men always say
Dancehall
variety
Queen Audrey.
is the spice of life, right?
Morning, Dancehall
so we
Queen
spice
Audrey.
up the thing ourselves.
See it there?
Yeah, so you leave me this morning as a, like you say, as a Peruvian, you come back and find me as a Mexican. You come back tomorrow morning, I am Australian.
This ain't all the while. Can't boring.
You understand? It's a different
Today I call it
you leave me as an African. Yeah. Today you leave me as an African.
Yes.
Tonight.
Keep me guessing.
Okay.
Is that,
Which is right.
So you just flip the script.
I can call her Ginger.
Hey.
Ginger.
Hey.
Never lost my way.
Which show from back in the 80s there was somebody named Ginger?
Ginger Rogers? Ginger?
Was it a comedy back in the day?
Sitcom? Probably.
I wasn't around in the 80s.
Probably.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Huh?
I wasn't around in the 80s, you know? I wouldn't know. No, man. 90s baby, you know? Right, Michaela?
TK, you catch it right at 1989.
Really?
You catch it right at 1989,
You wouldn't
TK.
even.
You're born December 31, 1989. Don't do that.
No.
Yeah.
Don't try,
What do you mean?
Don't try. You went to Woolman's in 2 different generations. No matter with that. No matter try to drive a killer.
Two different everything.
No, that's our artist name, Ginger. That's what I was thinking about. I mean, I think never lost my way. Never left my wig when I reach at the crossroad. Never lost my way. Yeah.
Ginger.
Who's ready for the headlines? Are you ready for the headlines? I'm
Ginger.
ready for the headlines.
I like it though, TK.
Ginger,
Thank you
I
so
like
much.
it.
Thank you.
Rose of Sharon.
And I have to say, big up 10, the 110 who sought me out this morning. Thank you so
I
much.
like the curls. It looks
Right?
slightly different from yesterday. It just put a different interpretation
So,
on
but
it.
hold on. So, if we're wearing cloud, what is TK wearing? Sun? What? No, there's not new name them.
We'll hear about it.
It's sand or
We'll hear about
Where
it.
get the one there?
We're gonna get there.
Chic and trendy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chic and trendy.
Yeah. So am I. Chic and trendy.
Yeah.
Chic and trendy.
It's a chic and trendy day.
Yeah. So it's sand. I'm saying, but if this is not white and a cloud.
We feel like we're going on a catamaran, like one boat party, one
I
yacht
think I need to be on a super yacht right now.
Pink is up,
You know what I'm
people.
saying?
Pink is up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
man.
like, hi, how are you? And you greet like on the yacht when you in like, hi, sweetie, mwah, mwah. Hi.
Yeah.
You have to
Boat
have them.
ride.
Yeah, you have to have them.
Yeah.
Yacht
Boat ride is
party.
almost.
Like, oh my God, my love, how are you? How are the kids? I have to laugh. So,
Can't push it too hard.
no, you can't say, what? No.
Not on the catamaran.
Not on the catamaran. You have to talk in your inside voice, your library voice.
See there?
Hi,
See
Ginger. How are you, my love? Mwah, mwah. Toodles.
Lovely.
Lovely. Oh, my God. Yes, opposite age. Yes.
Well, in keeping with that theme,
Yes.
Indicom appoints new deputy commissioner.
That's right,
No,
darling.
no, I can't do it. Let's go. The Independent Commission of Investigations, Indicom, has announced the appointment of Yannick Taylor Wellington as its new deputy commissioner. Her appointment follows the recent resignation of Assistant Commissioner Hamish Campbell, who served in the role from 2013 until December 2025 and headed the Commission's operations. Taylor Wellington has since assumed full responsibility for the duties and functions previously carried out by Campbell. An attorney at law by profession, she brings extensive experience to the post, having served as a senior prosecutor at the Integrity Commission before taking on several senior roles within Indicom since assuming office. Taylor Wellington has assured the public that the Commission's investigations into recent fatal shootings will be conducted thoroughly, objectively, and without bias, as Indicom continues its mandate to independently, impartially, and promptly investigate all incidents involving shootings by members of the security forces. So, new appointment there.
I think that's the first female to head up Indicom.
Well, no. The head of Indicom is still the head, but Hamish Campbell, who was the deputy commissioner for so long, he has now
Resigned. Who's the head? Oh, yes. He's another Faulkner, I think.
Hugh Faulkner,
is the head of Indicom, pardon me.
But she's not the first deputy.
Female, first deputy female.
Yeah.
And I think the first female to have been appointed at such a high level. And of course, you know, entities like Indicom are necessary to hold our security forces accountable.
Absolutely.
So we definitely
rely
welcome
on them
that.
to do their job.
To do their job.
So do your
because at
job.
the end of the day, somebody has to manage the manager. And so it can't be a carte blanche where people feel like the police forces or the security forces feel like anything goes. Citizens have rights, and we need these entities as well. So congratulations on the appointment, and let's see them continue the work that they've been doing.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so we've been hearing some coughing and some sniffling all about, I'm sure.
Yes.
Jamaicans advised to get flu vaccination amid peak season. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is reminding Jamaicans that the influenza or flu vaccine is now available free of cost at health centres island-wide. The reminder comes as part of ongoing efforts to safeguard public health, especially during the peak flu season, which typically runs from December to March and can extend into May. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie is cautioning that influenza should not be taken lightly, noting that the illness can result in serious complications, including pneumonia, blood infections, and seizures in children, and can also worsen existing heart and lung conditions. While priority is being given to healthcare workers, children and older persons with chronic illnesses, pregnant women, individuals in institutional or state care, and other frontline workers, the ministry says all members of the public are strongly encouraged to get vaccinated against the highly contagious virus.
Yep,
right.
the bad flu.
You think that the flu getting worse and it feel like it's just getting worse and worse and worse?
Worse.
It's getting worse.
I think the post-COVID flu is a different
strain.
And I guess maybe because we've been vaccinated and, it has, in order to manifest, I'm not a scientist, but in order to manifest, how it now manifests, it feels different, it seems different. There was a flu that was going around at the end of last year that was
it's
really
dreadful.
bad.
I caught it. Yeah, and a lot of parents catch it too because when you send the children to school, they interface with other children, and at that time they need your love and they need your warmth and they need all of the lovey-dovey, and invariably you're gonna get sick. And so for me, I think the strains or the virus, it has definitely turned into this, morphed into a different, more virulent
Or maybe it's how
strain.
our bodies are able to respond to it.
No, the virulent, something man, big man. But back in the day, you could have take 2 Comtrex and you're good. You know what I mean? You take 2 look of Fenzik or 2, or you do some look of coffee and black coffee, and you sweat it out, and you just do some home remedies or some lime and honey. No antibiotics. You have to go to the doctor. It's a problem.
The other thing is that, sometimes it's people getting the flu. Now it feel like, once flu going around, it touch everybody. Once it go into one office, everybody catch it. It's like we're even more susceptible to it now or something.
So
I don't know.
2 things, right? I believe that if you know that you're ill, stay home. If you know that your child is ill, keep them away from school. I know it is difficult for a lot of parents because they know who's going to keep the child
while you
go to work, right? But at the same time, it is unreasonable to want to inoculate everybody and mess up an entire cohort of students or your workplace. Stay home. And also, maybe we have to revert to wearing our masks, you know what I mean? Spraying with our alcohol or sanitizers.
I've been sanitizing.
Yeah,
actually,
and
I've been seeing people do it, but
but let's have a try.
Stay home.
Because it's not business as usual. You know, I stay home.
That's all the time we have. I'll be.
Get back here. Get back here. What?
I thought that was a message.
That's not quite how it works.
Your boss has
That's not quite how it works. It's a little too immediate.
I'm so sorry, I can't come
No, the thing is that we're talking about this flu, and then there's this cough that I've been fighting. And the more you fight,
cough.
It's the more it's gonna shame me,
TK,
and I'm like, you are talking, and I'm like, this. I'm in my mind, I cough, I rebuke you.
You see, on a COVID time, if you ever cough, you see, if you ever
you can't go for COVID time,
Listen to me. You cough in your neck. You swallow. One day, I saw a man of Asian descent in the supermarket. Brother, give me side item. I say like you walk up, I say, sir, if you know a good for you, don't do that, Don't. Sir, swallow the coffee. Coffee that you heel back, because I'm telling you, if it come up here,
a while ago we
I can't help it, I cannot
a while ago we had you know what, a while ago we have to come up.
Flu vaccine, people. Flu vaccine. That's what's up. Flu vaccine.
In a COVID time, if you even go to these, everybody
for you.
If you ever in a taxi and cough, remember me tell you, better them put it on the bonnet. Because I'm telling you, it's going to be on like Donkey Kong. People walk up and say, you walk up for that, turn it and laugh. Because you ever cough there,
Do it.
That was a stress. You said when they pump plane and cough?
No.
The worst.
Don't do it. I gotta tell you. We lived through. It was a time.
It was a
we
time.
lived through
Boy.
sometimes. I gotta tell you. But that's all the time we have this morning for headlines. Thank you so much, Ginger. I gotta tell you, in the house. We're head to the break now, and then it's over to Money Masterclass, brought to you by
JN Bank
with Carlton G. Stew.
He's looking like royalty.
Is he?
Is he? All right, we'll see. When we come back, it's Sunrise on CVM.
Deep into the issues. We'll take you beneath the surface.
Greetings and salutations. My name is Orville Higgins, and it's another edition of Fan Central.
Talking to the people at the heart of the top sporting stories. Hear from your favorite sportsmen and women and the administrators who work tirelessly to make it all happen. It's live sports talk.
I've written an entire article.
Yes.
Looking at all the major issues every Tuesday at 9 p.m. It's Fan Central.
Yeah, we're here at Culture Works, the second staging.
Forward for the next staging of Skyline Levels Culture Works this Friday, 7 p.m.
The rebels them in town.
I'm here right now at Skyline with Culture Works.
More works, positive, hopeful. Skyline levels, I hit man, season 2, Culture Works.
Every day we're going in circles.
Yeah, Culture Works.
Culture Works.
It's like Culture Works started off a year, a great work for me.
Culture work, yeah. Yeah, man, it's been a great journey.
Blessed love, we're at the Skyline Levels at Culture Works.
We're here again on a season 2, so I hope that you and your friend them come, right?
Every dream conquered is another dream gained. I land and I fly again like a jet plane. Headed straight in your direction. 'Cause I'm wiser, one step closer. I'm winning 'cause I work so hard. And the music keeps on playing, and the people them I say we are my show tonight. Oh, what a feeling! Don't stop dreaming. Keep on believing in the power of the feeling. Whatever you want, take a chance. Song in your heart, step in your dance. You got a spark, don't put it down. Shine your lights on.
This holiday season, we're reminded that the best gifts aren't found under a tree. They're found when we unwrap the compassion that rebuilds and the grace that heals. They're in the shared wonder of a child's eyes and the joy of a community spirit. It's a season of faith, faith in each other, and belief in brighter days. Now is the time to unwrap hope, because hope will allow us to unwrap tomorrow together and build back better. JN Bank will help.
Thanks for staying with us here on Sunrise. We're into the money moment. Money challenges are taking over social media, promising easy wins and better habits in the new year. So, in this morning's Money Masterclass, do you like that alliteration? This morning's Money Masterclass is powered by JN Bank, and Carlton takes a look at some of the most popular viral money challenges that are about to start. We're going to see which ones actually make sense.
And which ones you can get involved in.
Yeah. And which ones might work best for you.
Because just like how we pick up bad habits, hopefully we can pick up some good habits, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
We see you there, Cloud though.
All right, Cloud in over here.
What cloud is he then is? What cloud is Carlton? Nimbus Stratus?
No, it's
Cumulus?
The whiskey one. What the whiskey one name?
Cirrus
Stratus.
Something like that.
Cirrus.
Cirrus Tartus. Yeah, but every year we come with some new names for the same concept.
I'm telling you, Carlton,
Is that
it's a
Christmas watch that?
marketing.
Is that Christmas watch that?
No,
Armand Piquet.
this whole thing, I just threw it on this morning.
You just threw it on.
The APs, he just has APs lying around. You know, yeah. So I just pick up an AP this morning. Of course. I pick up my presidential Rolex this morning. Sky Dweller, even.
That's the laugh of this one. Well, let's jump in this morning to some money trends. So, Ms. Kitty started very, very right. We often pick up the bad habits, in how it is that we spend our money, how it is that we do things differently. But if last year, 2025, and previous years, if it didn't teach us anything, we would have learned the stresses that comes along with money and the real life struggle, how we have to get the money to stretch to do several other things. And sometimes if we're not careful, Dennis, we do everything else except save. And if we don't prioritize saving, it just gets left by the way. So I've seen several trends online. I've learned about some. I've tried some myself in previous time. I want to jump in. Which trend can you try this morning to just save some money? Because we have to save. So trend number one, it is the no spend light trend. So what that really is, we're spending only on essentials for the next few months. So they say to themselves, or to themselves, we're going to try for the next 30 days, or 60 days, or 90 days to only spend on essentials. So for example, we say to ourselves, we're not going to spend on things that are not in our budget for the next 30 or 60 days to see how it works. We're not going to spend on eating out. We're not going to spend any impulsive spending.
Wait, hold on.
No. There's no whoa. All right, let me pause.
What does that mean? Right.
Which is why we're taking it in stride. So we're not going for the next 30 days, we start like that. For 30 days, we're not eating out. No fast food, no restaurant, no eating out for 30 days, for example. Because you have some persons whose eating out bill, Miss Kitty, is exorbitant enough. And if we're trying to do things differently, we can... Cricket.
All right, so let's see what AA price we can buy.
So for 30 days, so we start like that. For 30 days, we're not doing anything like that. And then it can mean we develop into an habit if that's a major challenge for you, Mrs. Kitty. But look like you need to try a 30-day challenge for true. Just in case.
That's a lot.
No.
Boy, Carlton, me tell you, you know.
Talk to me.
Them say they, you know.
Talk to me.
Them say they, man.
We have to look at things that are taking the money out of our pockets. So if it is that we are not doing... When I did the survey on this, people save at minimum sometimes 18,000 to 40,000. And one person, when we checked upon, $65,000 a month on eating out. Have a drink here. So the eating out for you, me, all right, I'm not going to do no bar, no fancy restaurant, if it's maybe regular dinner. So for some person, so it all depends on what is impacting your budget for a given period. But for January start out, I like that. No eating out.
So no breakfast spots.
No eating out. You eat at your home.
But hungry, Carlton.
Buy a tray of egg and eat egg at home.
Well, Carlton, every time I fry the egg, I drop in a pot, I'm hungry.
Yeah, make some porridge at home. But want to try that because you're already buying grocery anyway.
But your waffle maker's not working.
I don't have my waffle maker neither. I want some.
So this month, no waffle. Some fried dumpling. This month, some boiled dumpling, some banana. The things
Carlton has come like the period where just 8 people.
So the first challenge, I want to try it this morning. What am I going to do this month? Just spend on only the essentials for the month of January and see how it feels, how much money you would have saved.
I'm going to ask Felicia from Mr. Breakfast this morning.
Suppose you have a lot of breakfast meetings. And therefore,
it's an
essential. No, you say it's non-essential. You can't invite people to make them hungry.
Carlton,
you say it's non-essential.
No, but if you have a meeting which is producing money in your pocket and you are covering that as part of your expenses for your business, that comes out underneath. But for your personal thing, I'm talking about, Miss Kitty, you drive to the studio now and drive on a Burger King. Not do that this morning. You drive, go by, we call it hash brown and the croissant. Don't go down there, Miss Kitty. I know you're going to go down there.
Good morning to Tina Turner and everybody at Burger King.
It's the same thing. I'll pick you up in my spirit this morning.
No, but I'm hungry. Carlton, I'm up from 3:30.
Yeah. Bring your mint in, one cup with some crackers and go back home, go eat your breakfast. Trend number 2. Trend number 2. The 52-week saving challenge. Well, before I go to trend number 2, I don't know if I have enough time. Trend number 1 is really something important. I remember I work in New Kingston and I sound like Dennis sometimes. I got to work early some morning. I'm saying, Carlton, treat yourself to over Cannonball. Because Cannonball have a nice little salmon with smoked salmon. Yes, smoked salmon with like a cream cheese. I mean, I say, or omelette.
We buy 2.
All right, I'm about 2,900 for one, you know. $2,000 for one, roughly. And I was to myself, Carlton,
What
treat
about you?
yourself. And I'm telling myself these things. And for maybe a month, I'm treating myself to the nice cannonball sandwich and the omelette. When I check my credit card statement that month, about $28,000 on that only. In the mornings only. By just buying that maybe for 3 times a week or
But me
4
never
times
buy
a week.
one yet. And that's
Exactly.
I tell you,
So then it's
October,
about $45,000. If Dennis put that $45,000 on a unit trust for 1 year and compound interest,
yeah, but don't care
impact
about
that money in your pocket. Let's jump into trend number 2.
man,
The
I tell
52-week
you,
challenge
Rasta.
is where you set weekly amounts for saving. So there are persons who are maybe paid weekly. Because you have persons who are paid weekly, the day's workers, persons who salary comes in like that, persons who do their hustle, they have their own hair salon, they have their own different things. You can maybe try a 52-week challenge where you say to yourself, every week for the next 52 weeks, I want to save $5,000, $10,000. Have you ever heard some of the bus drivers doing a $20,000 a day partner? 10,000 a day saving?
Yes.
Yeah. Where
Yes.
somebody come and take 10,000 from them every single day.
Yes.
$5,000 every single day.
Yeah.
Or $20,000 every week.
That's why I like partner when it's with good people.
Yeah, they challenge
Yeah.
themselves to
Yeah.
take the money
Morning,
from
Jackie.
you.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
a challenge that you can start this morning. If you are cash intensive in how you get your money, even if you get paid in the bank, set something aside. Every week, a standing order takes from your main account and take out $1,000 and put somewhere else.
True.
Because you're not going to miss it, no.
True.
You're not going to miss that $1,000 every
True.
single week.
That is true.
You're
That
not
is
going to miss
true.
it.
That is true.
Yeah, so try that trend this morning. Trend number 3, the 5 bills challenge.
All right.
Every
what's that?
$5 that comes into your hand, you don't spend it. Or the $1,000 challenge.
Yeah, Tanisha does that.
Yeah. Or Dennis, you maybe can try the $5,000 challenge. Every $5,000 that touch your hand, you don't better spend it.
Well, what I
Yes.
can say is that it works. Because like years ago, like I started this challenge. I didn't even think of it as a challenge. I'm like, look here, from once as it break down past 5 bills, like it goes in a one saving pan. So like, and I'll tell you off air how it ended up happening. But I can't say it on air.
Trust me, I know.
Come, look here.
Sorry,
You need a lawyer.
I'll tell you off air. But like every day at the end of the day, from once as I have 100, like I put it in the cup holder in the car, put it in my pocket, and at the end of the day, it goes in our saving pan.
I
And
like
like,
that.
Yes.
I went through that empty out one time. I'm like,
Wow.
yeah, I want my money this.
Yeah.
For money, yeah.
Only for money
I've
and
done
then
that before.
organize
I
it.
like that though. So
Yeah.
once a 500, and it can be $100, it can be
anything,
$50.
Yeah, whatever
Yeah.
you can manage.
Anything,
Once
yeah.
as your
I like
money
that.
break and it gone down to
Take it out and stuff
you
it
don't
somewhere else.
spend.
I like
You don't
that.
spend.
Because we would normally maybe buy peanut at the roadside, which is fine, because you
Yeah.
don't support the small vendors, but sometimes do you really need it? You don't really need it. Sometimes the money even just, you don't know where the money gone.
True.
So any small change you have, in this case, if you have a 5 bills, because it's 2 bills, $100,
Yeah.
$1,000, any extra change you have,
Yeah.
take it out, I'm not going to spend this money.
Yeah.
And you'll be surprised how much money you will have.
Yeah.
Trend number 4, the cash stuffing method. All right, so I know we're moving
stuffing.
away from a cash-intensive society, but we still have so many persons who handles cash every single day. And even
Yes.
myself, while we are very much banked, there are some things I still do with a little bit of cash
Need it.
nonetheless. So what you need to do, you stick to your essential things, like your paying, your investment and stuff, you transfer those, whatever. Well, if I'm buying, for example, gas, in my early days when that was a challenge for me, I take out the gas money, I
Okay.
take out the money that I plan to give if persons want a thing.
True.
Yes, so
But
I
always have a thing.
don't extend myself too much. So if I say I can only afford to give out $2,000 this month of my salary, or $5,000, I draw that money, put the envelope, say give in.
Yeah.
Where that done, it done for the month. If somebody just want a thing, I say it's not in my budget this month, maybe
Yeah.
next month.
Yeah.
So I try not to overextend myself, because if money is in the account, I'm going to transfer it to help Tom, Dick, Mary, or Jane.
But may I ask you, Carlton, why, for example, cash for gas?
No, so for example, I know I should spend no more than $8,000 per week on gas.
Okay.
So if I spend my $8,000 this week and the gas I run out, me now go watch it with you. I mean, me can't afford it.
Gotcha.
Because the money for this week gas is done. It done. Me now go swipe the credit card and go extend myself and go party out. If it's work related, I understand. But sometimes when you utilize some of these things, when cash is moving through your hand, you say, no man, but the money are done. Versus, you swipe in your card, you don't obviously have a realistic view of the money dwindling down. So
Gotcha.
something that you have a strict budget for, I take cash sometimes to utilize. Just to remind me, as a psychological trigger, Carlton, the money for gas that go down, you can't go with a friend name down or something now. Because
Gotcha.
the work gas now burn out my idleness.
Gotcha.
Yeah? And the last trend, your subscription cleanup. If you have not
Oh,
used
Lord.
that app on your
Whoa.
phone, on your TV for the last 6 months, cancel the subscription. Cancel it, cancel it. If you have the gym
That is
membership
so
to pay
true.
for and you have not gone to the gym for the last 6 months, cancel the gym subscription until you are ready. Miss Kitty, Miss, you make up your face. You pay the gym fee? When last I got the gym, we need to get into that. Off the ear.
I had a baby.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
Had in the past tense. Yeah. So, overall, subscriptions, if you're not using them, cancel them, guys, until you are
There are
ready.
so many apps. No, man, mega use it. Mega
You're
use
not
it.
use it. You're not using
Like
it.
in the moment when you subscribe to it, you thought that this was a brilliant
man, brilliant
idea,
idea.
and I'm going to use this because I'm going to be more efficient.
And then you pay
A year
$10 a
later.
month, $3 a month, $2 a month, etc., etc. So be careful, guys. And my last trend is save first and spend the leftover, and not the other way around. So if it's even you say to yourself, when I get paid, I'm going to save minimum 5%. Take out that first. Whatever is left, then it is that you go ahead and you spend on that. Because if you make saving optional, chances are it will not happen. If you say to yourself, I'm going to have to save this month. Whatever you get, take out the saving part first. That's a trend. So persons, you get the money, you take out the saving first. You get your salary, you transfer the money first, or do a salary deduction. But save first, because in 2026, it's less pressure, more control, and better decisions when it comes on to your money. Thank you so much, guys.
Amen.
Tell me which trend you think, in the comment section. What
Yeah.
trend you think, applies
I'm going to
to
try
you.
the money one,
Yeah.
the 5 bills one.
5 bills one,
Anytime
yeah.
a 5 bills come in my hand, save it.
Or 1,000.
Or 1,000.
Or 5,000.
But anything below, just set a benchmark.
Can't say
and
I want to believe in it, you know?
Eh? No, but hold on, no, we're going to commit to them one because they eat it out, man.
Yeah,
You're not coming to that.
If
Me
it
can't
was-
come to that, me not an answer.
Burger King has to come to lock this
No, they're not going to lock it to me. Good morning to Lisa Lake.
Lock her out this
Good morning,
morning.
Burger King family.
Yes.
Family. Lisa family.
Go on down the
With a
morning.
know me, you
BK
know.
to my aunt. I got to tell you.
Them know me, you
Something about
know.
the croissant, which #1 with the ham and cheese with the hot chocolate. Why?
Do
They
better
know me.
2026. Better
They know
control
me very
this one,
well.
guys.
Yeah.
They don't know me.
Gotta have it.
Yeah, they
But
know
Carlton,
me.
I really
But it's
like
not my
this.
fault. It's not my fault. The fries that we buy every
Fries
day.
off, yeah, but
Yeah,
yeah.
the fries
Do better,
there.
guys. Do better.
Morning, Burger King,
2026.
Manor Park.
Yeah, the message.
But guys, choose a trend and let us save some money this year. To
Morning, Wendy's.
get there.
Good morning,
You know
M10.
me, when we walk in and them say,
Them know,
All right,
yeah.
medium,
them
we're
say
going to
medium or large. Medium or
Today
large.
is Thursday. M10 I have jerk chicken. Them I have.
This not working out. This not working out.
Them I have barbecue fried chicken.
medium
and
or
rice and
large.
peas. And good soup.
Guys, respond to me, please, this
Oh,
morning.
today them
Let me
have
speak with
red
you.
pea soup with
Do
pigtails.
not
Them
listen to Miss
M10
Kitty or
today.
Dennis.
Yeah.
Focus
Them
on your
kind of blend
financial
soup
goals.
like with
No eating
shrimp.
out and save. You heard it
Save.
from Carlton. You don't go with that
We're
side.
going to save. We're saving our bellies
Save.
and
Have
our
a good one,
lives.
guys. Have
A
a good
hungry man
one.
is an angry man.
Have a good one, guys.
But I like these. I'm gonna try the
Yes.
5 bills one. I really like that one.
wonderful.
And the subscription, I'm gonna.
That's
yes.
right.
Which one is Nita gonna try? This one.
This one.
All right.
The wrap one. One where you wrap up the money.
Wrap up, guys.
But thank you so much, Carlton. I found these very informative, and we're going to take on some of these challenges, like seriously. And let's see at the end of the year how much we have,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So let's keep each other accountable. as well.
Accountable. Love it, love it,
Yes.
love it. All right, guys, that's
No,
all.
December, you know, check back December.
November
you know.
28th or 30th. I don't go in December. December, I only take the money off to spend and save it. And
Oh,
invest it,
so
yeah.
you're going to check me back
Up to
when?
November 30th, the last day of November.
All right, that's
right.
a plan.
All right. December.
That
That's a
is
plan.
it. That is it.
That's a plan.
All
Money
right.
Masterclass.
Brought to you by.
J&B Bank.
All right, it's now time for a break. And up next, we're going to be serving up something sweet in Breakfast is Served. So try your very best to stay with us right here on CVM. See it happen.
This holiday season, we're reminded that the best gifts aren't found under a tree. They're found when we unwrap the compassion that rebuilds and the grace that heals. They're in the shared wonder of a child's eyes and the joy of a community spirit. It's a season of faith, faith in each other, and belief in brighter days. Now is the time to unwrap hope, because hope will allow us to unwrap tomorrow together and build back better. JN Bank will help you find a way.
Get
tiles and get creative with your floors, walls, and all the spaces in between. Our knowledgeable sales consultants are happy to help create your beautiful finish with the latest designs in first quality porcelain, wood look, vinyl, mosaics, natural stones, and countertops. At Creative, you will get every tile you need for your residential or commercial projects. Creative Building Finishes, your one-stop shop for everything tiles. Visit our showroom at 5 Red Hills Road or call 876-929-5553. Get tiles, get creative.
Every day starts with care. Care that's always close. Supermed Family of Pharmacies is where you go for everything you need. From your morning routine to life's biggest moments. Supermed Family of Pharmacies is always by your side. Whether it's prescriptions or household essentials, trust the care that's close to home. Super happy, super healthy, Supermed.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
Every dream conquered is another dream gained. I land and I fly again like a jet plane. Headed straight in your direction. 'Cause I'm wiser, one step closer. I'm winning 'cause I work so hard. And the music keeps on playing. And the people them I say we are my show tonight. Oh, what a feeling. Don't stop dreaming. Keep on believing in the power of the feeling. Whatever you want, take a chance. Song in your heart, step in your dance. You got a spark, don't put it down. Shine your lights on.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
Yeah, we're here at Culture Works, the second staging.
Forward for the next staging of Skyline Levels Culture Works this Friday, 7 p.m.
The rebels them in town.
I'm here right now at Skyline with Culture Works.
More works, positive, hopeful. Skyline Levels, I hit man, season 2, Culture Works.
Every day we're going in circles.
Yeah, Culture Works.
Culture Works. It's like Culture Works started off a year, a great work for me.
Culture work, yeah. Yeah, man, it's been a great journey.
Blessed love, we're at the Skyline Levels at Culture Works.
We're here again on a season 2, so I hope that you and your friend them come, right?
My fellow Jamaicans, today marks a historic turning point in our journey toward lasting peace and security. In 2025, murders fell below 700 for the first time since 1994, over 31 years ago. This represents more than a 40% reduction year over year, with over 470 lives spared when compared with 2024. These are individuals who remain with their families, contributing to their communities and to national development. Compared to the 2009 peak of 1,683 murders, this represents a 60% decline, or more than 1,000 lives saved. Through strategic direction, policy support, and sustained investment by the Ministry of National Security and Peace, the Jamaica Constabulary Force led a remarkable transformation that produced the progress we now celebrate. That investment enabled critical reforms, including expanded personnel, modernized infrastructure, improved compensation, integrated technology, and a merit-based promotions with over 2,100 officers promoted since 2024. Flagship initiatives such as Project Rock and the deployment of modern surveillance, communications, and intelligence systems have strengthened operational effectiveness. Prevention-focused efforts, including the Live Good anti-violence campaign, continue to address the root cause of crime. I extend sincere appreciation to the men and women of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Jamaica Defense Force, the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, our correctional officers, border security teams, and all partners across the national security architecture. Your collective efforts have changed the trajectory of our nation, placing us firmly on the path to long-term, sustainable crime reduction. This achievement belongs to all Jamaicans. Together, let us protect this hard-won peace and press forward to what we can and must become: a safer and more peaceful Jamaica. May God bless Jamaica, land we love.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
You know, some days are harder than others, but we have to do our part. You like porridge? We're in this together.
Morning, nurse. Thank you for what you do every day.
Come in, nurse. Our bona fide.
In this together.
Let's delve deep into the issues. We'll take you beneath the surface.
Greetings and salutations. My name is Orvin Higgins, and it's another edition of Fan Central.
Talking to the people at the heart of the top sporting stories. Hear from your favorite sportsmen and women and the administrators who work tirelessly to make it all happen. It's live sports talk.
I've written an entire article.
Yeah.
Looking at all the major issues every Tuesday at 9 p.m. It's Fan Central.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CVM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
Yeah, we're here at Culture Works, the second staging. Forward for the next staging of Skyline Levels Culture Works this Friday, 7 p.m.
The rebels them in town, in town, in town.
I'm here right now at Skyline with Culture Works.
More works, positive, hopeful. Skyline levels. I hit man, season 2, Culture Works.
Every day we're going in circles.
Yeah, Culture Works.
Culture Works.
It's like Culture Works started off a year, a great work for me.
Culture Work, yeah man, it's been a great journey.
Blessed love, we're at the Skyline levels at Culture Works.
We're here again on a season 2, so I hope that you and your friend them come, right?
Holla me, holla yo, holla way. Taste the BK new cheesy jalapeno Whopper combo for only $1,350. The time by Burger King is
Welcome to Morning News. I'm TK Dawkins. The Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness, says the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade has become one of the most critical portfolios at this time as Jamaica navigates an increasingly uncertain global environment. Speaking at the Heal the Family, Heal the Nation National Day of Prayer, the Prime Minister notes citizens are living in unpredictable and uncharted times marked by shifting international dynamics. However, Dr. Holness assured Jamaicans that his administration remains committed to keeping the country safe, stable, and protected, emphasizing that careful diplomacy and strategic international engagement are central to safeguarding Jamaica's national interests. And that's it for Morning News. Join us again at noon for more from our news and sports desk. I'm TK Dawkins. Sunrise continues after this.
Together, hands and hearts spread wide. We know things will get better. Working side by side. We in this together. Rebuilding homes and lives. No matter the weather, you are not alone.
Sagicor is contributing over 200 million to Jamaica's Hurricane Melissa recovery. We're also standing by our clients. If you're a client in need of support, call 888-SAGICOR.
Super deal, when you're super free. Bite into a Wendy's super deal today. Get the crispy chicken sandwich combo or the junior cheeseburger combo for just $695, or the 5-piece nuggets combo for just $700. Only at Wendy's. Get the super deals from Wendy's.
Do you recognize the signs of dengue? Look out for these symptoms: high fever, severe headaches, joint and muscle pain, skin rash, nausea, and pain behind the eyes. If you experience these symptoms, rest, stay hydrated, and take paracetamol for pain relief. If symptoms persist beyond 3 days or worsen, such as persistent vomiting, severe abdominal pain, or difficulty breathing, seek medical attention immediately. Early treatment can save lives. Know the signs, act fast, together we can beat dengue. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health and Wellness and PAHO.
Let's delve deep into the issues. We'll take you beneath the surface.
Greetings and salutations. My name is Orville Higgins, and it's another edition of Fan Central.
Talking to the people at the heart of the top sporting stories. Hear from your favorite sportsmen and women and the administrators who work tirelessly to make it all happen. It's live sports talk.
I've written an entire article.
Yes. Looking at all the major issues every Tuesday at 9 p.m. It's Fan Central.
All right, we're back. I feel like we're going to do some sign language.
I'm sprinkling my salt. I'm Salt Bay.
Salt Bay?
No, Cloud Bay.
Cloud Bay. I like it, I like it, I like it. Guess what? What started off as a high school hustle has grown into a creative food brand known for its innovative brunch-style offerings, virtual pop-ups, and desserts. Well, joining us today is the founder and creative director of Nuovo Bistro, Chef Keana Lawrence, who will help us get ready for a sweet showdown as we kick off 2026 with a cupcake decorating challenge. I'm not good at baking, but I find some of the people who are good at baking.
Yes.
Them talk like, oh yeah, when I was 5. Like, how come you can bake from
At 5, yeah. But I love it. I'm not a baker as well, right?
No, not
I do mostly the pre-packaged things. You add 1 egg, you add water, I add liquor oil. I'm good at that part. Okay. But to do it from scratch, that takes talent. And Keana has it. So good morning.
Hi, Keana.
And welcome to Sunrise.
Good morning.
Talk to me about Nova.
Okay, so Nuovo Bistro
started off as a high school hustle, as mentioned. It was really during the pandemic, stopped going to school for a little bit, wasn't getting the lunch money. I still needed money, so I decided to use my skills, channel it, and create a career.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Which high school did you attend?
I attended the St. Hughes High School for Girls.
Very well. Yeah.
Isn't that Casey's sister school?
I don't know about that. I'm not certain. I am Casey's sister. That means that we are sisters. We are sisters, right. But tell me about the name Nuova. What does it mean, and how did you come up with that?
So, Nuovo, in Italian, it means new beginnings. Apart, high school, transitioning to college, I was kind of going through one of those phases.
Yes.
So, originally, the company was named K's Sweet and Savory Treats, but that was a bit misleading as if I only did desserts. So I took a step back to rebrand, but I was also going through some personal things. And it's a case where I can't rebrand my business if I'm still stuck in my old ways. So when I started myself, clear my mind, get myself together, then I said, okay, let's get the business together. And that's how I came up with the name Nuova Bistro.
I love it.
I
like the story behind it, because sometimes we need to know that there's somebody probably watching right now who is going through that transition and who is thinking that, well, I want to start, but I don't know where to start, I can't bother. And seeing you go through that and hearing your story may be their inspiration this morning. So thank you so much for sharing.
Yeah, well, for those of you who can't see, the cakes are laid out.
Cupcakes,
in the year 2026.
Yes. Welcome in the new year.
Yeah, welcome in the new
style.
year. So they can see the 20 over there, and the 26 is over here.
Right.
Yeah.
And the challenge is that Dennis and I will be decorating. So Kiana is going to guide us. So talk to me though about.
And if make it look good, if you make it look good, you're good. 'Cause when it comes to these things,
I'm a novice as well. So I mean, we're both in it. But talk to me about your offerings, because you say you don't just do sweets. So we have cupcakes this morning. But talk to me about the full
like
gamut
a proper bistro
of what you provide.
Well, what we provide currently, because we're still somewhat home-based, we sometimes, outsource a kitchen to do like really large some orders. So we do like live pop-ups where you would pre-order anything that we have, like our sandwiches or pastas or maybe Korean-style meals occasionally.
Korean? Oh, Korean. Oh, okay.
Sorry.
I meant said Korean. Okay.
Those type of stuff. And we also do our brunch. The theme was, as you know, the breast cancer awareness brunch was last year, for the community and things like that. And we do regular desserts outside of this. This will fall under the bracket of specialty desserts. Like since we're doing a competition, channeling our inner child today, it's a bit more playful, colorful, very simple, piping skills. But we also have like more I want to say classy, where you have like a strawberry cheesecake with the fresh strawberries and a sprinkle, like a razzle-dazzle, right?
So Dennis could order a cake. So like my husband's birthday just went on Monday, but we celebrate him every day, and we're celebrating him for the month.
Right.
So if I wanted to say order a cake for him, and Dennis probably wants to order one as well for his beautiful wife, what can we order from Nuova?
Well, really, it's based on, we always aim to satisfy our customers. So if you have an idea or a concept, we try our best to accommodate it. So let's say you want a pineapple upside down cake with a cream cheese glaze shaped in a heart with it swinging in the air. Maybe we would say no, because we don't want to flop your style.
Yes.
But if it's a case where you want, like a cheesecake or a black forest, a red velvet, or even like cupcakes for occasion where it's something like this to decorate them yourself at a party or something interactive. Right. Really just specializing in catering to our customers.
All right. Well, let's get into it. I know which one you're going to choose.
Which one am I going to choose, Dennis? I'm going to choose the blue one today.
Right.
Oh, really?
Gotcha! No! Dennis, I'm going to use blue. I'm going to use the blue this morning.
You're going to use the blue?
I'm going to use the blue this morning.
Okay. Okay.
Can't hold me though.
Is that George's blue?
So see that? That's why I'm just like purple. See that shot there already?
That's the purple one.
Yeah.
I better use some purple.
So you can use purple, you can use white. I put an elastic band at the top just to help you guys with the pressure control.
Okay.
You can do something simple like squeeze and lift up.
Squeeze and lift up.
Squeeze and lift up. Squeeze.
No, this now don't go.
Pressure control.
You see, I have luck with blue. And them something now.
A George is blue.
Jeez.
All right.
No, Catherine.
I see
No,
the
George is
vision.
blue.
I see in the vision.
I am visioning.
All right, let me try.
Why the vision is dark? Yes, please, get come on.
Well, I wonder if we can do a
I
heart.
don't know what's going on.
So you want to do? Just a light
You
squeeze.
pressure man.
I'm going
Just a
around.
l-
So not too heavy.
Okay, got it.
Right.
Relax.
Or if you want to use the white, which has a thicker frame, and you can splash some blue or splash some purple.
Relax. Watch my heart.
What I'm finding is that this is quite relaxing.
So the difference in the consistency, because even though we're having fun, we also try to make it educational.
Yes.
So here I have a liquid food coloring, and then we have the gel food coloring. What he's using is the gel one, so it holds more. But with the liquid one,
let me
it's
try the
still
white,
fun.
please.
Here you are.
Okay. Boy, mercy. Father God.
That's okay.
Do I like my day drop?
Okay. Light pressure, remember to hold
Light
the top.
pressure, okay.
Right. So you hold from the top, squeeze at the top, and you guide with the bottom of your hand.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, gotcha. Aye, see that?
Right.
Can get a little work. Aye, so blow I want this. So aye, come out there. Right. Okay. So when is your next pop-up?
Okay, so for the month of January, we're having
Want this one? Yes, for the month of January, I'm here.
Okay, we're having a bit of a small sweet treat cake sale. It's really, January technically does have 6 weeks. So when you reach to the end of it, you deserve something that's nice, something sweet, and not something that is too much out of pocket. And we also have our Valentine's Day Love Box. This is our 4th year doing it. We're actually already starting taking orders for those as an early bird special, where you get a nice bottle of wine, basically a full course meal, your appetizer. Oh, these are cookie crumbles. So you just sprinkle a little bit on top. And we'll have some chocolate chip cookies.
Then it's what is spell? This?
Hey, that man.
See what I'm talking about? Just give me some purple and I get it going. I got it going. You know what I'm saying?
Love it.
All right. I love this, Kayan. So repeat for me, where will you be next?
So next, which is Friday, January 30th, if I'm not mistaken, we will be having our sweet treats, where we have cupcakes, we have our tres leches, and we'll also have our...
What's a tres leche?
Whoa. Slow down.
All right, let me take it back a bit.
Yes.
So our tres leches cake is basically in Italy. It's basically 3 milk cake. So you bake a traditional sponge cake, and then you flavor
Tres leche, right. So it's really tres leche in Spanish. Okay, gotcha.
Right. So you'll add like your evaporated milk, condensed milk, whole milk, and you flavor it up. We may have some that is a little bit, alcoholic, so it's eat and drink responsibly.
Right.
We do have alcoholic options for that as well.
May I also ask for persons who may be diabetic or persons who just want to lower their sugar intake?
Yes.
Do you do cakes or cupcakes? For those as well?
Yes, we do. We started off doing something known as a vegan banana bite.
Okay.
So the ingredients for those does not entail any form of dairy, and it's very
may I have some
light
sprinkles?
on the sugar.
Oh, so when I call you to order, I can just make that special request.
Right.
I like that. Because and also for the children, because sometimes, you don't want them to have so much sugar because they're going to bounce off the walls. Let me tell your parents. You know about it?
You know about it.
Let me tell you, yeah.
All right, I think these look good. I think. Give me a grade,
miss.
Give me a grade.
You get a grade, miss.
So I like the different color contrast. I see the pressure points of you trying to shape the heart. That's nice.
This is a pressure point.
The crumbs. Then we'll have over here the spelling on the name. The T is very even, so one not skinnier than the other. So that's good. You guys did very well today.
Oh my God.
Well done.
Hello. Michaela, please make sure you get this, okay? Cameraman, DJ, can you zoom in? I think we did great, Dennis. What is this? Look like asham.
It's like cookie crumble.
Oh, cookie crumble. Oh, this is hot. Okay, that's hot. This is how the cookie crumbles, I gotta tell you. I love this. Do you have any workshops, Ken?
Well, currently not at the moment, but we are open to branching off in case, like, let's say, you know, you're having a kid's birthday party and you want them to decorate a cake or cupcakes, or let's say you and the girlies want to get together, have a nice
like
glass
a sip
of
and
wine,
cake.
I want so we will venture off in those stuff. Just bring the ideas to us and we bring it to life.
I love that. You know what would be nice to Dennis? Like you and your partner, like you and your wife, or me and my hubby, you know what I mean? We could go and decorate some cake, you know what I mean? And just have fun.
Something different?
Yeah, something different. Yeah.
And it gives you absolutely bragging rights to come to work the next day and said, I did this. I made that.
I made this.
All right, so the proof of the pudding is in the eating, right? So what are we going to try this morning?
So
Bon appetit.
we have a chocolate fudge cupcake, and then we have a lemon berry burst cupcake, which is a lemon flavored cupcake with a strawberry filling on the inside.
Carlton cannot say this is eating out.
No, this is not.
This is eating in. Right? Cheers. Bon appetit. And I made it. So I'm going to try my cake.
Not bad.
Righteousness. Father God, bless me, God. And bless everybody who watches, God.
And technically, there's no added calories because they're small. They're a little bit mini.
Me don't walk it off, miss. I'm lucky. I have one life to live. I got to live it.
Got you.
No, all the trainers, them eat for this right now, but I just say,
That's it, go. So you go. We'll work it off.
May I drink some water? Where can we find you on social media?
Oh, yeah, it's bad.
Gorgeous.
You go,
In the middle.
Right.
The rooster. Where can we find you on social media?
So on social, thank you.
Yeah, go on.
Thank you. So on social media, you can find us at NUOVAA_ on Instagram and also on TikTok. And if you would like to reach out to us like via call or WhatsApp, you can call us at, the 876 now with 221-2000. So it's 3 zeros.
Okay.
So 221-2000.
Nice.
And of course, our email address will be on the Instagram page, which is nova.bistro@gmail.com.
Well, I wish you all the best, young lady.
Thank you.
Yes. And I love to see young women, innovative, being creative, and also following your passion and your heart. We live in a time now where working and doing your honest bread seems like, oh, that's not so sexy. But I'm very happy when I see young women like yourselves, moving ahead, living your dream, being very diligent, being very passionate, and sharing your craft with us. So I wish you all the best. May your business continue to grow and succeed in every way possible.
Appreciate it.
All right. So, where do Dennis?
May I try it? May I try it?
Where I try it?
I want to bring it. We're bringing in the new year.
All together, join it up. Oh, boom.
2026.
You see that? That's hot.
Get the shot. Ooh.
That's flossy. Right. Aww. That's nice.
We got it.
Did you see the kitty? Did you see? Little bit more. Okay. Do you see the kitty right there? Oh my God, I drew kitty. Okay.
Yes, Lord. All right.
Beautiful.
There
2026, guys. Happy 2026.
Voila!
Lovely. Our guest has been the very beautiful and talented Kiana Lawrence, founder and creative director of Nuova Bistro. I gotta tell you, my cupcake, I did it and we did it on...
It's all over.
You see what I'm saying? Creative director of Nuova Bistro. There's much more on Sunrise right after this, so please stay with us. Bon appetit.
love to dance. Oh, what a feeling. Don't stop dreaming. Keep on believing in the power of the feeling. Whatever you want, take a chance. Song in your heart, step in your dance. You got a spark, don't fit the dark, shine your lights on.
Let's delve deep into the issues. We'll take you beneath the surface.
Greetings and salutations. My name is Orvin Higgins, and it's another edition of Fan Central.
Talking to the people at the heart of the top sporting stories. Hear from your favorite sportsmen and women and the administrators who work tirelessly to make it all happen. It's live sports talk.
I've written an entire article.
Yeah. Looking at all the major issues every Tuesday at 9 p.m. It's Fan Central.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CBM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
Employers, once a month, you have the power to shape Jamaica's future. By paying your hard 3% contribution, you're not just contributing, you're investing in people, in skills, in our economy. Your hard contribution trains working-age Jamaicans, aligns programs with workforce needs, and secures our future. That's not just contribution, it's transformation. Contribute to heart and to your future.
I had an opportunity to firsthand see the devastation that this record Category 5 hurricane has caused on the nation. Let me reassure you, Jamaica, let me reassure you, my customers, that we here at JPS stand committed to work safely 24/7 to get the power restored.
Well, as for me personally, mess up totally. Door blow off, house full of water, set to your thing. But as a worker of the company, I have to be out here to help. But I will stick to the task to make this be a reality where people get a light and be happy again once more. JPS, love you.
It has been a very terrible situation in Montego Bay, especially where I come from. I am from Friendship. The storm Melissa has destroyed a lot of stuff, but nevertheless, as a worker, I am following my duty. I'm here to show up and to deliver, and I'm here to assist in recovering. And whatever it takes, we want Jamaica to know that we are here and we are moving forward. And there is hope.
All right, Sunrisers, welcome back and welcome to Dad's Survival Guide. It's a new series. We're going to be sharing practical life skills paired with deeper lessons of fatherhood and manhood with our younger guests. But each episode is going to tackle essential tasks at a starting point for reflective and meaningful conversations. And it centers on guidance, responsibility, and wisdom passed down to help younger men navigate life with confidence and purpose. And this week we'll be learning how to do something very simple, practical, functional, how to tie a tie. We have Chade Clark joining us. Chade!
Hey, Dad.
What's up? You good?
Yeah, man.
All right. So, what's the story with the tie now? Yeah.
So for today, I have a date later.
And you're going to be going out with a tie.
Yeah. So I've been struggling for the past 15 minutes trying to navigate.
You want me to instruct you? Or?
Please.
All right.
Please.
So first of all, you're going to pull it down a little bit further. You're going to make that side longer.
Okay.
Don't hold me to the terms of the tie, but pull that side down a little bit more.
Oh, okay.
Right. And you're going to cross it over.
All right, like this.
No, the other way.
The other way.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
And then, oh geez, it's kind of harder when when it's not on you. All right. Let me see if I can do it, and then I'll. So what you try to do, it depends on how you like your knot. So I like a nice thick knot. I don't like a small knot.
All right.
So I'm going to go here. I usually come around about here. Yeah. So you go big side over the smaller side.
The big side over the small side.
Right? And then you go like this. So this is now the base of my knot.
Gotcha.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to come like this. Yeah?
Mm.
So I'm building it now, you know.
All right, so there's a knot. We have a small knot.
And then I'm going to bring it across. I'm going to leave my finger in there.
Okay.
Bring it back around.
And just pull it through.
No, and then I'm going to put it down in.
Okay.
And then I'm going to shape the knot.
That's where you get the shape.
The shape. And that's where you go.
Okay.
So it depends on how you want the knot to be shaped.
Mm-hmm.
Depends on the length of the tie. So again, you're gonna go in longer side like that.
Okay.
Big side over.
Mm-hmm. And I am going to So the other way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
And then this is where I put the two fingers here.
No.
And do I pull it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Under. Yeah. Now
And
you're gonna push
then-
it down in.
Oh. So I'm gonna pull it through.
Yeah.
And then.
You're getting there.
And
Okay,
then
no shape.
No shape. All right.
Okay, shape.
I don't know though. I'm not getting the triangle.
No, it kind of lean.
Yeah,
but you're getting there.
See, what I'm trying to do is to make the big knot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
It takes a few practices, but you're on your way, and that's the most important thing, I think.
But while I try again, I'm gonna unravel. I'm gonna try again.
Yeah.
I was hoping we could probably have a quick dialogue.
All right, sure.
So
what's on your mind?
What's one question about fatherhood you wish someone taught you, or you wish you were told before you became a dad?
Whoa, okay, heavy question. One question about fatherhood I wish somebody told me. I don't think that they could have told me. I don't think that they could have prepared me for the weight that you feel. Like there's a weight that you feel, a weight of responsibility.
Okay.
And I know that some people, when they feel that weight of responsibility, they run. But for me, it just grounds you.
Okay.
The moment you realize that you are responsible for a life that is not your own. I think the variables of my life made me think I was going to be the father of girls. So I was like...
Well, yeah, naturally.
I thought so. I mean, and I thought I was well prepared for girls. And then when I saw boy, I was like, whoa. Whoa. Because now I have to prepare a man for this cold world.
Indeed, agreed.
And so I find that a lot of the lessons that I'm trying to teach him are, and not even for now, like, may I try to teach him responsibility, may I try to teach him leadership, may I try to teach him, how to follow, but not necessarily be a follower, because you have to teach people how to be a team player. You have to teach them, you have to teach them to be likable. I'm like, it's like, stop picking your nose. Don't pick it at your nose. You're not going to have no friends.
Understood.
But that kind of thing about the weight, about what the weight of fatherhood feels like, I think that that's something I could have been a little bit better prepared for. But I don't know that anybody could have told you that. That's just something where you have to feel.
Yeah. Agreed.
Yeah. It changes you completely.
But then I think that leads into the next question. So you know, naturally, as we know, as men, we want girls. We want our little girls. We want to have little girls.
Yeah,
right? So when you found out, like when you learned you were going to, well,
be a father.
But it wasn't a girl. It was indeed a little boy. It would be a little boy. What was your reaction, and what did that mean for you, having a boy instead of, a little girl?
Yeah, again, and then my brethren who had children before, like, when you're going on reasoning, and I thank God for positive peer pressure. Like, let me tell you, like, girl pick me, them love you different,
Definitely.
You're not a father till you have a daughter, and then you have a next time, and, you want son to play ball with and to play cricket with and to kick football and then something there with. So it's different, and you're a different parent to your different children, whether they're older or younger, boy or girl. I think I took it well. I was excited. I was, excited for all it meant. Boy picking the ramping a different ramping.
No, it's a different thing. It's a different thing.
Boy picking the trouble a different trouble.
And then the excuses make sense.
I remember as a baby, he was into books early. He started reading early. And I remember walking into the room because I'm like, why is he so quiet?
Right.
And I walked into the room, and I kid you not, he was on the chest of drawer, on the top of the chest of drawer. I cut him 10 and I read one book. And I'm like, boy, why are you up there?
Proper. Reading.
And he's looking at me like, what's your problem? But like, yeah, man, them climb some way, them dismantle the house, and then remember, you are parenting not just for the mother. Sorry, not just for the picnic, but you try to preserve the sanity of his mother.
Absolutely.
Cause you know what the argument when she comes in, and when him drop off of that, you're like, yo, you think somebody mash me up? No, so yeah, that's something like, yo, boy picnic, just prepare for a different level of ramping.
Yeah. Agreed.
Yeah.
But really, since becoming a dad, how...
the time, but go ahead.
So, since becoming a dad, how did that change the way you handle stress? I mean...
I think there's a permanent stress that emerges, that you're always going to have that stress, but it's a good stress because it's a stress that changes you and make you not worthless.
Indeed.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like, there's nothing wrong with having stress. Internalize the stress, turn it positive, go out, hustle harder, provide, take care of your responsibilities. We are here to provide, them say a good man, an honorable man leaves an inheritance for his children's children.
For his children's
So
children.
I'm very much interested in what Jackson's children will be like. I'm very much interested in that. So it's not just about him.
Okay.
I'm also mindful of what his children will be like.
Okay. Let's see the tie. All right.
There you go.
All right. So I think it's definitely going to take some practicing. Indeed. But being a provider, you're handling your own. So you are, being a provider, you're a person before, your titles. How do you handle, the stress of your own? The stress of your own and, the household.
You learn to compartmentalize. I work in high stress environments, and I always have told myself I'm not bringing it home and taking it out on him and his mom. I'm very mindful of compartmentalizing. I'm going to leave this out. If I need to get, they always say, why is it that men come home and them sit in the car a little bit before they come out? Make sure to leave it in the car.
It's a part of the whole decompressing.
Yeah, man.
It's a part
so
of
you
all
find systems and find methods of not taking out work stress on your home, because home comes with its own stress and challenges. But thank you very much for a great conversation.
Of course.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, there you have it. Dad's Survival Guide. See you next week for another episode. It's now time for a break. Sunrise continues after these messages. Yeah, man.
The road to recovery after a disaster is never an easy one. The National Housing Trust stands ready to support you with hurricane relief initiatives to help you recover stronger. With our peril insurance, payment relief moratorium, hurricane grants, and low interest rate hurricane relief loans, we'll help you restore your home and rebuild your community. Visit our website or your nearest NHD branch for further details. Conditions apply. NHD, the key to your home.
This Christmas, choose life. As we recover from Hurricane Melissa's devastation, we're reminded that life is fragile. Pedestrians, stay alert. Drivers, slow down. Rest if you're tired, and never drink and drive. One careless decision can change a family forever. Let's have a safe and prayerful Christmas and a crash-free 2026.
Yeah, we're here at Culture Works, the second staging.
Forward for the next staging of Skyline Levels Culture Works this Friday, 7 p.m.
The rebels them in town.
I'm here right now at Skyline with Culture Works.
More works, positive, hopeful. Skyline Levels, I hit man, season 2, Culture Works.
Every day we're going in circles.
Yeah, Culture Works.
Culture Works. It's like Culture Works started off a year, a great work for me.
Culture Work, yeah man, it's been a great journey.
Blessed love, we're at the Skyline Levels at Culture Works.
We're here again and a season 2, so I hope that you and your friend them come, right?
Let's delve deep into the issues. We'll take you beneath the surface.
Greetings and salutations. My name is Orvin Higgins, and it's another edition of Fan Central.
Talking to the people at the heart of the top sporting stories. Hear from your favorite sportsmen and women and the administrators who work tirelessly to make it all happen. It's live sports talk.
I've written an entire article.
Yeah. Looking at all the major issues every Tuesday at 9 p.m. It's Fan Central.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CBM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
Every dream conquered is another dream gained. I land and I fly again like a jet plane. Headed straight in your direction. 'Cause I'm wiser, one step closer. I'm winning 'cause I work so hard. And the music keeps on playing, and the people them I say we are my show tonight. Oh, what a feeling! Don't stop dreaming. Keep on believing in the power of the feeling. Whatever you want, take a chance. Song in your heart, step in your dance. You got a spark, don't fit the dark. Shine your lights
Get me? It's a Billionaires Club. Good morning to you. All future billionaires claim it in the name of Jesus. I gotta tell you. And you know what? Stop saying poor me. When you say rich me, rich meat, because there is power. There is life and death in the power of the tongue, Dennis.
Absolutely.
So for 2026, let us also be very intentional about the things that we are professing over our lives.
Yeah.
Every time, wagwan, Dennis, nothing wagwan.
No, but look here, the reality is that a lot of us talk about people and how them chat we. Nobody not chat you worse than like how you chat you. So the people them who are chat you, them are the least. Focus on what you are saying to yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. As Shirley Ralph said in our Pocket of Sunrise, it doesn't matter what they're saying about you. What's most important is what you're telling yourself. And guess what?
Absolutely.
Dressing how you want to be addressed is very important. Your deportment, how you present yourself, how you carry yourself, the dignity with which you carry yourself. And ladies will know how that go, especially for, our working moms or moms, period. Sometimes you get so caught up in taking care of everybody else. Sometimes, we're not styling ourselves. And this segment this morning is all about you. So, welcome back to Sunrise. If you're just joining us, thank you so very much. It is time to join us for a stylish journey into the future, of fashion, as we unveil the hottest trends for 2026. This week, we're deep diving into the season's must-have colors like cloud, as we have our very beautiful, stylish, chic, and trendy wardrobe stylist, Jane, she talked to us about, the cloud. It's not white you're looking at, guys. You think you're seeing white?
Cloud.
But it's actually, Pantone. And that's what TK Avon are sand. But guess what? I'm not even going to try to, rationalize all of this. I have a young lady. She is so beautiful, resilient, absolutely beautiful, chic, and very trendy. She is the owner of Chic and Trendy, Rihanna Mikkel. Yes, I got it right?
Correct.
That is it. Clock that. Owner of Chic and Trendy Boutique, where I shop, and I have many beautiful pieces, stunning pieces from Chic and Trendy. Perfect for both work and play. And Chic and Trendy is known for the work girlies, right? Those of us who actually have a job, right? We post our work pictures, because some people, they are Vietnam, they are Bali. I either see a work picture. I mean, say, facilitate this and finance the life here. Good morning to all the 95 ladies, all the hardworking, diligent ladies. Yes, standards still a keep, and honest living still a keep. And Rihanna has all that you need, and our prices are absolutely amazing. Good morning, beautiful. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
How are you?
I am feeling great.
And you look the part.
Thank you.
Let me tell you, there is nothing that says beautiful and believe in my product than like when you see it on the owner.
I was about to say that, look here, if you ever come in a mother fit, then I believe nowhere.
No, not 2026.
No, man. I love when, just like how Carlton come in and it look like what I'm talking about, I love when like this. Yeah.
Absolutely. So talk to me about Chic and Trendy. And I mean, you've been around for quite some time, but what is your store known for, and what are the pieces that you carry?
All right, so good morning, Happy New Year. It's my pleasure. So Chic and Trendy, we're located at 21A Central Plaza, halfway tree. We are known for outstanding work pieces and just outstanding pieces. So when it's work time, it's work time. And when it's playtime, it's playtime. So, December just passed, and, we stepped out with some nice pieces, but now it's back to work. Looking good on the job.
Absolutely.
Yes, looking fabulous on your 9 to 5. I'm loving your outfit.
Thank you.
Yes, so that's what we're known for. Spectacular prices.
Yeah.
Excellent.
When you say spectacular, Rena, all right, talk to me. I can come to Chic and Trendy with $5,000, $6,000, or $10,000 and get some nice work pieces?
All right, listen up. I need to stand for this one.
Yes.
So, this top right here, it's knit.
Yes.
Can you believe this top is only $2,500? Yes, $2,500.
Like 2,500 Jamaican?
2,500 Jamaican dollars.
Wow.
Yes.
So when you put that with something else,
you can pair this with a nice skirt if you're not a pants girly, or you can pair it with a nice high-waisted pants. And guess what? We have a deal on pants, so everybody can look good going to work. We have a 2-for-1 deal. You purchase 2 pants, you get 1 free.
Wow.
And the cost is $3,995 for one.
Wow.
So you pay $7,990 and you get 2 pants plus 1
Right.
So that's 3 pants.
Wow.
For the cost of 2? Come
Wow.
on. And guess what? We have sizes from small right up to a 3XL. And when I say 3XL, I don't mean makeshift 3XL. I mean 3XL.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow.
So we have stunning pieces that you can put together for the price in your budget.
What is flying off the shelves right now at Chic and Trendy? Like, what are women into right now in your inventory?
All right, so can I show you?
Go ahead.
All right, so I took with me today some satin tops.
Okay.
So the color is Pantone, it's Cloud Chaser. So it's like whites. You're wearing white and you see how you accentuate it with black.
Yes.
Then it's you're wearing white and you look stunning. You pair it with some sambas. That's even trending too. So along with the whites, we have satin silk tops. So these are silk tops. And guess what? The price is only $2,995.
Wow.
You can purchase 2 of these and get 1 free. So that's the deal for the entire January.
Wow.
So 2 of these tops, you can choose from over 15 colors. Look at this. This is trending.
Yes.
So pair this with a nice white pants. Imagine this
True.
color.
Yeah, with a cloud pants.
All right.
Yeah.
So let me just show you. So the color we're focusing on is
Cloud,
white.
yeah.
Cloud. When you think about cloud, you think about whites, creams, nudes.
I like those. I like that aesthetic. I really like the Pantone and the
and you
the
mix
cloud.
it with, but you wouldn't mix it with like a purple. Not yet. Not for the
Yes.
January. We're kind of toning it down.
Yes.
So along with that, we have brooches.
Oh.
So this, you add
to accentuate it.
yes.
Oh, so Chic and Trendy also does accessories.
Yes, we do.
Okay, wonderful.
And of course, if it is that you wanted a different vibe with your pantsuit, if you had like colors, you could add a tie, a necktie. We will have these for $1,000.
Wow.
Yes, price is reasonable. And of course, you can't go wrong with gold with pearls.
Right.
So we have pearl and hand pieces. You're going to see it on the model.
Yes.
Very perfect. We have brooches.
I love that. That's cute. Tory Burch.
$800.
$800.
Guys.
And that purse right there, man, I like that.
Unfortunately, these are sold out from Christmas.
Oh, wow. Then you see that?
But they're trending.
And men, if you want to also buy something for your partner, buy something for your wife, Chic and Trendy has nice accessories, unusual pieces.
I spot out and a map
I know.
Where's my I spot 2 brand already when me know that she love? Me spot the blouse them up.
Yes, and you can give her your card.
Yeah, I know.
We won't max it out.
Don't worry, she knows all the details. I don't even have to give her anymore.
I love it. So you say you have from small up to 3X.
Up to 3XL.
Okay, and you do work outfits and you have party outfits
Yes,
as well.
we do.
For special
And the
occasions.
material?
Special
birthdays.
occasions. This is cotton.
this is a nice
Yes,
I
so this
like
one
it.
is cotton. So of course, not everyone would like the satin top. So we have cotton. And ladies, you need a white Oxford shirt in your closet.
You
Yes,
do.
men and women.
Men and women. This
Yeah.
is a must. We have these for $3,500.
Wow.
Small right up to 3XL.
And you know what I love about Rihanna and Chic and Trendy? You see how she's calling out her prices?
Let me show you.
like that.
Bring the blood.
I love
Yes,
the honesty.
I love
because
it.
some places you go, they can't say their prices or won't say it. And I'm like, can you put it on the side? Why are you hiding it?
No.
It's like you want to trick me when I come there. Me not understand. Because you can record Red the window. I said, Red maybe I said, sunrise, I said 3-5.
It's on the page too.
Me teacher said, it says, man, when I look, all right. So when I look at you, I wear white. There's white and then there's cheap white.
Okay.
So this, when you look at the material, say, a good white.
Yeah.
And then, all right, you look at the cuff.
Yes.
And I say, oh, I want fancy. So say, I want expensive girl. I ain't cheap. You understand? So when I look at your ear, when I look at your watch, when I look at your nails, these are the things that we look at.
Yes.
Okay.
When we size up and I say, we can't afford she.
Exactly. Not in your tax bracket, right. But guess what? I think this young lady has something nice. She's your model.
Yes.
All right.
Her name is Maisha.
Maisha.
Hi, Maisha. She
Good
looks
morning.
nice,
How
yeah.
are you? All right. Tell us about this outfit, Rihanna.
All right, so Maisha is wearing our pleated skirts, and guys, pleats are trending.
Yes.
Satin skirts are trending, but pleats, it can never go out of style. So we have this skirt right now in over 5 different colors. Burgundy, the cream, black, brown, navy blue, hunter green. And to go with it, we have vest. You can't go wrong.
Yeah.
She could have paired a top inside,
Yes.
but We did it without it. The vest is only $3,995 and the skirt is $3,500. Come on, ladies.
Amazing.
No need to look shabby going to work.
Yeah.
Guys, look at it. And then
And you
for
have to look like the same people.
Yeah.
Yes, and then for the skirt, look at this.
Waist.
So this fits up to a 3XL.
Right.
So it has excellent stretch.
Yeah, and it also hides, if you know, for ladies who might have cellulite issues and that kind of stuff. It also masks and camouflages that as well. And if you have a very, you know, rotund area, right? It
So
also
it's
helps
really
to calm it down.
Yes, and then of course, you know, remember we're talking about the pearls.
Yes.
Look at that. Look at the difference.
Cute.
Look at her without it. It's looking blah.
Accessorize, ladies.
Accessorize.
Don't be afraid.
And of course, you know, if you could, if you don't want to wear that, you could do so a nice little pearl necklace.
Yes.
And then with the shoe.
Oh, you sell shoes too?
No.
Okay.
We sell, you know, but not heels. We had some. So we don't really go too deep into the shoes. We do like more loafers.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah,
and we need those for work too.
Yes, so if you're not a heels girly, we have loafers. And the loafers deal is coming, guys. So let's look out on the page.
All right, the Sunrise Loafers deal. We have another model today. Who do we have?
Yes, we have.
Who do we have?
Ginger, aka Rose of Sharon.
Come through, TK. Come through. Tell us about what TK is wearing, or should I say Ginger?
Ginger.
Yes.
Hey, Ginger.
Yes.
Ginger is wearing our famous linen pants set. Look at this. This is giving me cool.
Yes.
It's giving me classic.
This is giving me travel.
Yes.
This is giving me jet.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
And of course, you know, for the ladies who you don't want to show any tummy, you know, we're tired of tucking the tummy. These are perfect for you.
Yeah.
These, they fit right up to a 3XL. Look at
Nice.
that. Perfect. And it comes with a makeshift belt.
Okay.
So if it is that you want to, you know,
Yes.
show them a little,
Snatch it a little.
snatch it a little.
Ah. Okay.
You know.
That looks so cool and relaxing. And guys, ladies, I love it, especially for moms, for travel purposes. When you have a baby, you want to be able to pick up bottles, pick up stuff that drop, the pacifier, and you want to be comfortable. And you also want to look classy going through the airport, because when you look like an Adjumite, they're going to call you out of the line.
That is true. That is true.
When you dress certain way,
Second search.
Immigration and customs.
Secondary search, yeah.
Because then, as I said, you have to dress how you want to be addressed. And sometimes if you present yourself looking cheap and questionable.
That belt gives a completely different interpretation. A completely
that's
different
nice, TK. Oh, Ginger. Hey. All right, so without the belt is Ginger. Yeah. And then with the belt is turmeric. You see it? Bad.
Bad.
Have a buzz. Buzzy bad. I'll let you know, TK, you walk to the husband. Dead them dead. I love it. I love it.
Of course.
What
we also have it available in mint green. The other colors are sold out. Mint green.
What are we? She can try to sell out.
No, we're always busy.
Oh my God. So talk to me about when are you getting stock? When are you open? What are you opening hours?
All right, so we open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Mondays to Saturdays.
Okay.
Yes.
Lovely. And when are you getting new stock?
We have new arrivals every week.
Nice.
Every week. So we put out new pieces every week. So you can rest assured, follow our page. It's a CHIK_N_trendy, TRENDE. And ensure you watch our stories.
Yeah.
That's where it goes down.
And I must say, you look so beautiful in presenting your outfits as well.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
You represent your brand very well.
Amazing model.
This piece is new.
Somebody wants this piece right now, like me. I'm asking for a friend.
We have 4 colors. It's not in store as yet, but it will be in store by next week. So when I model it, you'll see all the colors.
Yeah.
We have 4 colors. Black, rust.
Nice.
And a nice little gold tone.
Yes.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
Only 9.5.
Only 9.5, guys. And this is what we're talking about. And what I love about these pieces, both what's the young lady's name?
Maisha.
Maisha is wearing, and what Ginger is wearing is the fact that you can separate all these pieces.
Yes.
So that vest can be worn with a different pants. That skirt can be worn with a different top. Ginger's top can be worn with a different pants. And the pants can be worn with, you understand me? And also Ariana's outfit. So I really like the versatility of the outfits.
If Ginger wanted to turn into Miss Ginger, she could take off that top.
Mad.
And put this. It's a bodysuit.
Boy.
Off the shoulder. Show a little skin.
That are going to cayenne pepper they know.
Yes, cayenne.
Yeah, cayenne. Mad. And it has a rouging in the tummy, ladies, so it hides our rolls. And, you know what I mean? Because we have to talk the things and do the things. But I love this. Ariana, thank you so much. Chic and Trendy, located where?
21A Central Plaza, halfway through. We're right beside Spencer's Tailoring.
Beautiful.
Right
right.
I was about to make mention of it.
Yeah, I know that store.
It's not a big store, but yes.
No, man.
No, you're big.
No, the store, the space, the size.
The space may not be big, but you're a big deal.
Yes,
And we love it. Love it. All the best for 2026.
Thank you so much.
And ladies and gentlemen, go get something. Be
look
up
here.
in the clouds.
Look at this. Tory Burch. Support.
Yeah,
you know?
Sister.
I love it. I absolutely, yes, sister.
Up in the clouds.
It's Tory Brooch.
Tory's Brooch.
Right.
Tory's
That's
Brooch.
it.
Look at
That is it. But we love it and we wish you all the best right now.
Thank you so much.
Continued success and continue to make women feel good and look good.
Thank you.
And be chic and trendy.
Awesome. Our guest has been Rihanna Miko, owner of Chic and Trendy Boutique. It's now time to strut our way to the break.
Yes. I can strut. I'm in my cloud.
Yes.
Chic and Trendy, darling.
Yes. Woo.
Your body go to the music. Go. Come on.
Cheese post, grab a sunshine, grab a cheese post. We have crunch on a cheese post. Daddy nickel pick, grab a cheese post. Sunshine snack cheese post, grab a sunshine snack cheese post. Some cheese in every bite, flavor in every crunch. Extra cheese if you love it so much. Love cheese in every bite. Grab a sunshine, grab a cheese post. We have crunch on a cheese post. Daddy nickel pick, grab a cheese post. Sunshine snack cheese post, flavor in every crunch. Grab a sunshine snacks cheese puffs today. Enough cheese, enough flavor. We in this together, hands and hearts spread wide. We know things will get better, working side by side. We in this together, rebuilding homes and lives. No matter the weather, you are not alone.
Sagicor is contributing over 200 million to Jamaica's Hurricane Melissa recovery. We're also standing by our clients. If you're a client in need of support, call 888-SAGICOR.
The internationally acclaimed On Stage with Winfred Williams.
At a new time, Saturdays at 8 p.m. on CBM TV.
So much more than entertainment.
Sunshine snacks cheese post, grab a sunshine, grab a cheese post. We have crunch on a cheese post. Daddy nickel pick, grab a cheese post. Sunshine snacks cheese post, grab a sunshine snack cheese post. Some cheese in every bite, flavor in every crunch. Extra cheese if you love it so much. Love cheese in every bite. Grab a sunshine, grab a cheese post. We have crunch on a cheese post. Daddy nickel pick, grab a cheese post. Sunshine snacks cheese post, flavor in every crunch. Grab a sunshine snacks cheese puffs today. Enough cheese.
Wait up for though. Hey. Wait up for though. Wait up for though. But what you must do is shop at Chic and Trendy and get in the clouds.
Yeah, I think that it was great to end the show with Chic and Trendy. You know what? Because I've been feeling chic and trendy all morning. So
nice. And you look chic and trendy.
Thank you. I'm glad that Jane came up with this whole idea of doing this cloud theme.
Yes.
You know, I've had this fit in my closet since year before last, and it just there.
Yeah.
And she said, you know, and
cloud.
I'm like, I know, I have it.
So guess what, guys? If you have a white outfit in your closet, it's not white, it's cloud.
Yeah.
And that's actually
what's the other one?
The color
Pantone.
Pantone, and that's the color. Those are the